In this video, I will be showing you how to create wristband design in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva home screen and move my cursor to the search bar. I'm going to type in wristband to see what templates are available. As the results load, I can scroll through several different styles, from conference bands to event tickets. I'm looking for a clean, minimalist layout, so I'll select this black and yellow student name wristband template. On the preview screen, I'll click Customize this template to open the project in the editor. Once the page loads, I can see multiple wristbands laid out and ready for editing. I'll start by double-clicking the first name to change Carrie to Mise N. I'll continue down the list, updating Jennifer to Kiana, Tina to Amanda, and Joanna to Caleb. It's a very quick process to simply click and type over the existing text. I'll finish this first page by changing the last two names to Nathaniel and Angelo. This template includes a second page with a slightly different design style. To keep things consistent, I'll scroll down and update these names to match the first set. I'll go through and type in Maizen, Kiana, Amanda, and Caleb again. Finally, I'll finish up the second page by entering Nathaniel and Angelo in the remaining slots. Now that all the names are updated, I'll take a quick look over both pages to make sure everything looks right and the text is aligned. Once I'm happy with the design, I'll head to the top right corner and click on the Share button. From the drop-down menu, I'll select Download. I'll keep the suggested PDF standard format and click the purple Download button to save my file to my computer. And just like that, I have a professional set of custom wristbands ready to be printed for my next event.